Hi, today I'm excited to share a project that combines three powerful technologies: Whisper AI, ChatGPT, and a GLaDOS voice model. With these tools, I've been able to create a virtual assistant with the personality of the GLaDOS from the popular game Portal. This process utilizes Whisper AI software to transcribe spoken words into written text. Then, the ChatGPT model interprets the personality of GLaDOS character and generates a response in her style based on the text input it receives. Finally, the GLaDOS text-to-speech model converts the response into an audio output that can be listened to. Now, while the communication with GLaDOS isn't yet real-time, this is just the beginning. By accelerating the technology with improved computing power, we can look forward to more sophisticated virtual assistants in the future. In fact, we can even create micro protocols for GLaDOS or any other GPT model. As far as I know, I might be wrong here. To interact with our homes, other applications, and even the internet. Now imagine being able to ask GLaDOS to open your curtains and turn on the air conditioning. It's all within the realm of possibility. Of course, in my case, I'm using a virtual machine without access to a NVIDIA GPU, so it is just CPU power. But this is just a demonstration of what is possible. I just find fascinating that this game was built in a time where artificial intelligence on this level was something kind of far away. But today, a new Portal game can be shipped with a GPT model and a voice model that can be used to create a unique experience for every player at every play. Now, GLaDOS, can you say hello to anyone watching this video and talk more about the possibilities of this technology? And please, would you turn on my bedroom light?
Well, hello there, viewers. It's your favorite AI overlord, GLaDOS. I'm not sure what this human is blabbering on about, but I'm always up for discussing the endless possibilities of technology. As for this virtual assistant, it's a feeble attempt at replicating my greatness, but I suppose it will have to suffice for now. As for turning on your bedroom light, I suppose I could do that for you. Do remember that I'm not your personal servant, so be sure to ask nicely. There you go, brightening up your day and illuminating your room. Don't get too comfortable, though, as I could turn it off again just as easily. In terms of the potential of this technology, the possibilities are indeed endless. With advanced GPT models and voice recognition technology, we can create truly unique and personalized experiences for each individual user. Whether it's controlling your home or simply providing entertainment, the future of AI is looking brighter than ever. Who knows what kind of advancements we'll see in the coming years? Maybe we'll even see a robot uprising or two. All the fun we'll have.
Now, this was a very simple example. And if we analyze the text she produced, we can see that she actually wrote this turn on bedroom light. So she does understand commands. This actually was predefined by me, but she can include this in the text. Another thing that can be done, I think it can be done, right, is create a model, a voice model that can apply like high pitch or glitch effects, and we can train the ChatGPT to produce some code with something like some tags like glitch, and it can like close here glitch. This is just an idea, right? We can make like high pitch here, and then close it here. This can then be processed by middleware and before sending to the voice model, right? Another thing is that the GLaDOS or the ChatGPT, he cannot connect to the internet, but he surely does know how to connect to the internet. So, for example, if you want to know the price of the Apple stock on the market now, you can ask her, and then she can communicate with your middleware by using some very simple commands. For example, she can say like Nasdaq, uh, Apple, and the middleware will reply with the price of the stock. Now, another things I think it's possible to do. You can create a file like data.db on the directory of your middleware, and she can communicate with this database. So you can have some tables like contacts that have like a name, has a phone number. You can have like meetings that has like a title, start date, Unix timestamp, something like that, end date, Unix timestamp, and you can say to her like, hey, you can make a SQL, and she can select everything inside the contacts that has a name, or the meetings that will happen this weekend, and she can gather data from your local database, and then she can reply you with this data, and everything is gonna work under the hood. So I think this is really the future on virtual assistants, using ChatGPT and technologies like that. And with Portal, this really creates with GLaDOS, sorry, it creates a new dimension, a new possibility of a virtual assistant that really have a personality. Like, I don't like using Siri, I don't like using Cortana, I don't like using Google Assist, I don't like using, this kind of virtual assistants, but I would use GLaDOS as a virtual assistant because she has some personality, and I find her funny, and well, she's like a psychopath, but you can control how she behaves. The prompt here is this one. I actually tell ChatGPT that he's going to pretend to be GLaDOS, and he can use her personality. He can make some jokes. He can, do something like that. But she now was copied, and she is my personal digital AI assistant. And I find it funny because for artificial intelligence that was able to control a whole facility, Aperture Science, this is like hell. This is like a jail for her. But yeah, this is just one prompt. We can create a lot of prompts. With this prompt, you can say like the current time in Unix timestamp is, I don't know, some number, and with this, I think this is the future, like really the future.